Hello guys, this is Sushant. So welcome to your channel, that is Sci Engineers. I hope you have started filling up your CAPROUND forms. There is only few days remaining for the end. That is for the 17th of this month. So do hurry up to fill up the registration form. I hope the videos which we are making on different fields of engineering is helping you in deciding your fields. In the last video, we had discussed about the electronics telecommunication engineering. In this particular video, we are going to discuss about the electrical engineering. Now, electricity is so important to us that it is becoming one of the basic necessities for any human being to survive. Without electricity, one cannot imagine their day-to-day life. So we have to thank our electrical engineers in providing a constant flow of electricity at our homes, which is being generated hundreds of kilometers away from our place. Basically, an electrical engineer is responsible for the distribution of the power which is generated at a power station. He is also responsible for maintaining those power grids. So you might have seen various stations which are available nearby your society, which will be consisting of huge transformers and which will be distributing the power which is coming to it. So there are various aspects of power distribution which is being learned in the electrical engineering. So electrical engineering is basically understanding of the heavy duty equipments which are running around you. Now, electrical engineering is not only responsible for all these things which we just said, but it is also responsible for the electronics engineering. As we had discussed in the video of engineering, we had said that electrical engineering is one of the core branches of engineering. From the electrical engineering, there are various branches which have come up, the subfields like electronics engineering, computer engineering, instrumentation engineering, etc. So basically the subfields are taking some of the aspects of electrical engineering and working on them in elaborate fashion. The subjects which we will be dealing with are the transmission of power, generation of the power, the various aspects of power, designing of various devices like transformer, and electrical generators, etc. It also deals with high voltage engineering, which is present at the industry level, wherein you require a very high amount of power to be generated and distributed about the industry. You will be also studying about the various aspects of electronics itself, wherein you will be touching about the various electronics devices, the power electronics part of it, the various electronic circuits, and also signal processing. So if you are fascinated by the Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction, the electromagnetic concept is itself, then electrical engineering can be one of the fields of your interest. Now, because of the curriculum which the electrical engineer follow, there has been many predominant names from the electrical engineering branches, which you can search in the Google section. Also, there are many electrical engineers who are at the top levels of various companies. There are various electrical engineers who are not only required in the power sector, but also in other sectors, wherein they will be required for various research works. So the core jobs which are available for an electrical engineer can be seen in the power sectors, wherein the industries like NTPC, which is one of the public sector companies, the other private industries like Reliance also require an electrical engineer, and also L&T. Now, energy being one of the most important factors nowadays, there is a lot of research work which is going on in the energy sector. So there is always requirement of an electrical engineer in the research sector. So there is lot of opportunity for research work to be done in the electrical engineering in the power sector of it. So if you are interested to work in this particular field, then it is always a good thing to do so. While doing this particular engineering, it is always advisable to be in touch with whatever technologies which are being used in the industry, so that you become relevant when you pass out from this particular engineering. To be relevant to the industry, you can go through various journals which are available. You can attend various seminars which have been held in and around your campuses. You can specifically read the IEEE journals, which are the most predominantly used world over. So we have discussed most of the points for this particular engineering. If you want to know more about this particular field, then please do let us know in the comment section below. If you want to know about any other field of engineering, please do let us know in the comment section. So this is Sushant signing off for today. We are from Samartha Vidya. We take classes for BE, BTech and diploma students. We also take classes for the 11th and 12th PCMB group and vocational students. We also conduct classes for the engineering entrance exams. We take both private and group tuitions. We are happy to announce that there is a 10% discount which is going on for all the subscribers who are in their first year of engineering. So please do avail for this particular discount. So thank you guys. Keep learning, keep watching and happy learning. Bye.